Always. Oh, look at this mouth.
Yeah.
I'm going to add You cannot believe I went to the shop myself. Look what I bought. Ooh. I'm just coming back from the shop. I told my husband to buy things for spaghetti while coming back, but I bought myself. So I will send him a message and tell him that I already bought. See, Mia neck polish name for time. So now I have to cover it. I added little salt, very little. So let's cover it to boil. Cooking delicious spaghetti for my Piotr. If you want your food to be sweet, your spaghetti, make sure your onions is brown. See, golden brown, like little golden, not very golden. So now I'm going to put paprika. Don't forget, I'm using one hand to record. Paprika. So right now, I'm going to add rosemary. I have to open. I don't have patience. Little bit though, very little. I don't have curry. It's finished though. Going to add ginger, little bit. Little. I'm going to add nutmeg, very little. So now we are going to add the tomatoes. I have to cover it because this thing will start up and down. I will cover it to dry. Okay? Yes. I'm adding salt. I will use plum. Maybe this one will make it red. Yes. So, I'm finished. You are giving me money. Why? No, my love. I can also pay with my money.
Yeah, no.
Zimno, bardzo zimno. Tak?
Tak.
But do you like the food?
Yes. Always.
Always. Oh, look at this mouth.
Yo. Don't disturb me. I'm eating. It's babami.
It's babami. So is it spicy?
No.
No. And I put chili. You are becoming Nigerian man now. The way you eat pepper.
It's spicy, but it's good.
Good, okay. Thank you. Enjoy your food.
Thank you, my love.
Mother the food. Chai! Chai!